a simple video in Canva from start to finish. We'll go from a blank canvas to a polished MP4, keeping everything clear and beginner-friendly. Start by opening Canva in your browser or app. On the homepage, choose Create a Design and select Video. This gives you a standard video canvas that works well for social platforms and presentations. You'll see your timeline at the bottom and your tools on the left. Next, bring in your visuals. If you already have footage, upload your clips using the Uploads panel, then drag them onto the canvas or timeline. If you don't have your own clips, head to the Video section to browse stock footage. Choose background clips that match your theme and place them in the order you want. You can resize or crop right on the canvas so your visuals fill the frame neatly. Add clarity with text overlays for narration or captions. Click text, pick a style, and type your message. Keep readability in mind. Use high contrast, simple fonts, and short lines. Position text away from the edges so it won't be cropped on different screens. If you're captioning speech, break sentences into small chunks and time each block to appear when the words are spoken. To protect privacy or replace people's faces, go to Elements and search for icons, illustrations, or shapes. Drop them over faces, adjust size and color, and use transparency if you want a softer look. You can combine shapes for a playful sticker effect that still hides identity. Give everything life with movement. Select your text or graphics, click Animate, and choose a simple entrance or emphasis animation. Keep effects consistent across clips to avoid visual clutter. You can set the duration to match your pacing, so transitions feel smooth and intentional. For audio, open the Audio tab. Upload your voiceover file or choose a background track from Canva's library. Drag it to the timeline and lower the music volume so it sits under your narration. If you're using captions, align them with your voiceover for better accessibility. Now, refine timing in the timeline. Trim the edges of clips, split where needed, and nudge elements so text, graphics, and beats line up. Press play to check pacing and make small adjustments until everything feels natural. When you're happy, click Share, choose Download, select MP4 video, and start the export. Canva will process your project and save a ready-to-share video you can post anywhere.